The Royal Navy's largest warship has recently teamed up with one of the U.S. Navy's most formidable aircraft carriers in a significant demonstration of Allied strength and cooperation in the North Sea. This operation highlights the power and unity of NATO forces, showing their capability to project naval power strategically. The UK Carrier Strike Group, led by HMS Prince of Wales, has joined forces with US Carrier Strike Group 8. This collaboration is pivotal in reinforcing that NATO allies are prepared to respond to any challenges they may face together. On a striking note, an F-35B stealth fighter from the UK was seen majestically taking off from the flight deck of HMS Prince of Wales. This spectacular launch was complemented by Truman's FA-18 Super Hornet and EA-18G Growler, which executed a synchronized flypast over the two naval formations. This display showcased advanced military technology and represented the synergy between the UK and the US forces, underscoring their commitment to joint operations and collective defense. The UK Carrier Strike Group comprises a significant naval presence, including HMS Prince of Wales, its associated air wing, and almost 2,000 dedicated personnel. They have been actively engaged at sea as part of Exercise Strike Warrior, a critical phase in their preparations for a future global deployment to the Indo-Pacific region by 2025. Exercise Strike Warrior is not just a UK endeavor. It incorporates a multitude of warships and supports vessels from the Royal Navy and Royal Fleet Auxiliary, alongside various branches of the UK Armed Forces. Additionally, it involves NATO warships from 6 allied nations: Norway, Denmark, Belgium, Germany, Portugal, and the UK, creating a robust international coalition. This extensive collaborative effort is focused on testing air and sea power through various challenging tactical situations, strengthening interoperability among different forces while enhancing their operational effectiveness.